Hey guys, Bismoto. I just want to make another update. I got the motor in. Looks really good. I put one of these things here for the fuel bowl. This is off a Chinese GY6 scooter. It's just a drain for the fuel bowl. It actually fit really nice. It was like, looked like that was made for that almost. Kind of hilarious. Works good. All I got left to do on here essentially now is just the wiring. Should be done with that pretty quick. Just gotta ask somebody some questions, and I should be good to go with that. So yeah, I got the motor in. I got the clutch cable, new clutch cable on, connected already on here. What else did I do? Oh yeah, for the Vader, if you put this motor in, you got to grind off on your brake lever right here. Your brake lever is right here. Where your spring would go, you got to grind that tab off where your spring would connect to. And I was talking to a guy on Facebook. I don't know if he wants me to say his name or not, so I'm not going to. But if he does, I'll give him credit in the next video. Yeah, so I ground that off, and you don't even need the spring. It works just fine. And everything else bolted right back up again. When I was putting the motor in, I did have a little bit of trouble. It didn't want to line up quite in the back so good, but I was able to get it eventually. It was a little hard, but I got it. Got the carburetor on. I installed that. I hope that's the best way to do it. I don't know. I'm new to this myself, so this is the first time I've ever changed the motor in a pit bike or anything like that. Put the chain, reinstalled the chain and stuff. I left the stock sprocket on there. I actually got to take a look at it. I forgot I'm running a 428 chain, which the Vader came with stock. So I got to make sure I got a 428 sprocket. So I'll have to check that tomorrow. I kind of just remember that just as I said that. Fabulous. Alright. Great. Alright, and another thing I did is I changed over the adjusters to Honda ground ones. So now I have the little markers where I actually can see where it's adjusted to. So that's a whole lot better than the stock Vaders. And I also put the Grom end caps on. And yes, it all fits. It fits perfect. Like I said, I ordered all Grom plastics for this, so you'll find out the same time I do. Well, shortly after I do, if they will fit. So I replaced everything, all the plastics, the undertail panel here, all the side plastics, everything. The gas tank plastic, that's going to be new. The headlight plastics will all be new, except for the headlight itself. So hopefully that all lines up. I'm not 100% sure that will, but if it doesn't, I know that they said the boomerangs do. You just got to do a little bit of trimming for a notch somewhere on here. So I'll be able to handle that. The only thing I got left is, like I said, the wiring, and I just remembered I got the throttle cable to do. I got it. The stock one works, I got it on, and it's working, but it hangs down really goofy. See how it's hanging down? This is an aftermarket throttle cable, but the stock system works. It seems like it works really good actually, but the way how it's hanging is just goofy. So the one I ordered will be coming out the top, I believe, and out or something like that. So it replaces your throttle here, and yeah, I mean, I'll show you when I get it. It's hard to describe. I ordered a new exhaust for it. The Vader one doesn't really fit right. At first I was trying not to have to buy a new exhaust, but yeah, I'm going to. Well, I did already, I should say. So that's coming from, I think that's coming from Europe? Not sure. I don't remember where I bought it from. Moto Kit, I think it was the name of the company I bought it from. The exhaust, it's a lower mount one. So you'll see that when I get it. It'll probably be a while, I'm sure. My plastic shipped out today, so I don't know. It says anywhere from 7 to 14 days, so it may be a while before I make another video. But yeah, this is how I installed everything so far. So if anybody from the Z90 forums or anything like that see anything I did wrong or anything like that, let me know and I'll change it. I'm planning on installing the oil cooler here, because this is where I was told to install it, is on this brace right here. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, it should be good. Alright guys, I'm going to let you go. I just want to let you guys see that I do got the new motor installed, and everything seems to be perfect on it so far. Looks like it's going to work really good. Alright, I will talk to you next time. Bye.